aces here, and we got 4 callers. I think I'm gonna check here and see what happens. Okay, we're gonna jam all in, like us. Boom. That's how you get the max. And we're gonna go for this bounty here versus a fish. Yeah, that's what I mean. That's why we're gonna see hands like Queen 7. Alright, this hand. Right, so we've got this guy who's all in for a bounty and everyone folded. Which they shouldn't be, really. Good turn card. We're just going to go all in. Good. Nice bounty there. But, we just opened Queen Jack suited, and then we called a 3-bet. So this could be a dicey situation. Let's see how things develop. We're going to call twice. Good bet. If he really did have a value hand, why wouldn't he size up the turn? I guess he's repping a hand like ace, deuce of hearts. Okay. Right, we're going to make a low frequency play here, and we're going to just flat with ace king suited with a 20 big blind stack, big blind, such that in the rare event that this happens, we can call off, dominate. Well played. Nice hand. Just going to flat 10s here versus gun. It's a good flop. Going to just call here this over half pot that. We see another chunky bet here. I think I like raise here in this spot. We're going to need to raise if we want to be able to get stacks in by the river. It's not the ideal river card here. This river card really sucks. I'm gonna check back. He had a complete air there on the river, so it's not like he was going to be calling a shove anyway. Start with the check. Half pot pet, just going to check. Call, sorry. We're going to continue to check. I think it's best to just call here. We need to give him the chance to improve. Like 2 pair with an ace, like aces up, I think. He does decide to triple barrel. We are going to be raising. Yeah, the ace jack. Right, we're going to try a bit of a stop and go strategy. Stop, go. Right, this 3-bet ace king. Get a cold call from the big blind. Interesting turn card. We are going to bet. Easy call on the river. Going to call this for the bounty. Boom. Nice hand. Nice flop. We called because we wanted to play against this guy. Hopefully he can make a mistake. We are going to raise this. Boom. We call. Wow. Massive pot and the 55 bounty. Got like twice the number of chips as number 2. So if this guy 3-bets Jack 10, then I'm not going to just call here. We're going to come in for the squeeze. Well, we're all in now. Nice. Right, we're just going to 3-bet fold King Queen here, apply some pressure on the bubble. My son. Going to check turn. Dodgy river card. Nice hand. So here we open jacks on the button, get 3-bet big blinds. He goes check bet call, check bet call. Debating whether or not we shove here for value. I guess Queen's plus is calling me. Ace high is going to fold. I'm not going to make a very nitty check back here. I think it's probably best to check. Yeah, nice hand. Right, this is a good flop for us. Very likely to be at least double barreling here. And that is one such card to double barrel. And now we're going to go for the triple barrel. Nice. So here we opened, he 3-bet, we called. So now we're facing a C-bet, which we're going to just call. Can have King Queen. I think it's best to just shove here. It's quite a lot of bad river cards. It's got kings. Alright, nice hand. Like a check raise here. Good check turn. Could have like ace queen floats here. We are going to still call the turn bet though. Just jams. Nice hand. Right, we're all in. Oh, he makes the call. Wow. Boom. Double knockout, boys. So we are chip leading and we are the bounty daddy. Right. For the bounty. Oh. Okay, so we're not invincible. Right, this could be it. And it is. Alright, GG CKB. Alright guys, let's go. FT time. This raise just looks so strong. I'm just going to make a really tight fold here. We see an immediate call on our left. And a 3-bet. It's not looking very good now. 12 jacks. Yeah, I thought he may be trapping. He does have traps in his range there. So having seen what just happened there, I'm pretty happy with my fold jacks. Right, going to lead the turn. We do value bet here. Right, nice. Alright, GG the Samster. That's our first ladder. crazy pot developing here. Wow. Good spot for ace king. It's going to hold. So that's a double knockout. That's the flop. Let's see bet. No. Looks like a good flop. I'm gonna mix in a check this time. It's very wet, and I don't want to play for stats, but we definitely do want to bet the turn. And check back river. Nice. Wow, three-way all in. Wow, Jax. He's running pretty well towards the end. Going to fold 10-5. Right, that's going to do it. Down to the last four. Right, let's check call. Bet small again. I'm going to call again. Oh, run out. That's on. Wow. Alright, so we're down to the last three. Alright, we're going to call. It's a really good flop. So we're going to bet call. Don't expect him to have much flush draws, especially given the flop action. So we're going to shove. Nice. I'm going to jam queen 10 off it on the button. Right, we need to get there. That's a good flop. I don't mind if it chops. Nice. Boom, come on. Ace deuce is a jam. Right, let's just chop. I just asked for a chop. Alright, cool. Come on. Right, let's call this 3x. Call the turn bet. Praying for no queen. Right, nice. Alright, we will be raise calling versus the big blind. Versus the small blind, we're just going to bet small. Right, we're going to double barrel here. Nice. Right, we're going to check raise this flop with our gut shot. Chord, we're going to check turn. Versus this sizing, we are going to peel. Sick. I don't think we can call this. Sand. Right, we're going to call. Right, come on. Yes, come on. All right. All right, we're heads up. Definitely going to double barrel this. He could have a jack X with a spade. We are going to call. Oh, you it's two pair. Gonna check. Right, never mind. But get check raised. We're gonna call. And then he overbets. I only beat 7x clubs here, running out of time bank. Oh, I almost shoved that. Got 14 bigs. Value bet. Jack or a 10 like this. This sizing. If you use bluffing, I think you just bet one big blind. Got no time bank. Alright, we're gonna have to call with ace high. Right, come on. Oh no. Yes. Oh, drama. I'm gonna call. Check back the turn. Tough spot. He's making some really good bets here. Nice hand. He's grinded us back down to 13 bigs. Right, we're all in. Right, he was trapping with ace high himself. No, the picture, queen or a jack. Oh man.